Ryan Filippelli, and do you want one of these two trucks? We have a brand new 2016 Hess truck and dragster. Awesome truck, mint in box. This is one of the first Hess trucks ever to have LED lights, and the first truck ever to have a dragster that pops wheelies. Like, who doesn't want that? And the link's down below in the description. And we also have a brand new mint in box 1994 Hess rescue truck. So this is really cool. Has stabilizers down there, a big ladder, sirens, lights, flashers. So if you want one of these two trucks, go down below in the links in the description to the auctions. And also they are on my CRF website in the CRF shop. So you could buy which ones you want. And yeah, enjoy the video.
Christopher Ryan Filippelli. I am Christopher Ryan Filippelli. Christopher Ryan Filippelli. Christopher Ryan Filippelli. Christopher Ryan Filippelli. I'm Christopher Ryan Filippelli. It's Christopher Ryan Filippelli. I'm Christopher Ryan Filippelli. Christopher Ryan Filippelli.
Hello again, everybody. I am Christopher Ryan Filippelli, and today I am going to be reviewing the 1995 Hess truck and helicopter. But first, I need 200 subscribers to do a video on my life story, and 1,000 subscribers to do a giveaway on a CRF 1-of-1 custom painted fan truck. So let's just get to the video. Beautiful day out. Didn't do a sports video today. Didn't have time. So, Hess toy truck and helicopter, 3 Energizer batteries, real heavy taillights, operating helicopter rotors and lights. Front of the truck, other side, and back of the truck. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to CRF, turn on the bell for notifications, and comment down below on what you thought of the video at the end of the video. Here we go. So I was saying before in one of my live streams that got deleted, that if you search up like Hess trucks on YouTube, type in Hess trucks anywhere, you're going to come up with tons of videos on Hess trucks with people reviewing them. However, you're not going to find a real channel that mostly reviews trucks, or the entire channel is about Hess trucks. So my channel is like mostly Hess trucks since I have my other series. You're not really going to find a channel like that. So please like and subscribe, because this channel is sort of one of a kind. There's only a couple, besides Hess Corporation's own channel, like Hess Toy Truck and Hess Corporation, I think me, Michael D. Roberto, and 2-3 other channels are mainly on Hess trucks. I'm not saying just 3 videos, I'm talking about a lot of videos on the channel, and mostly the channel is Hess. So as always, we're going to start with the mini part of the truck. So, the 1995 mini helicopter, so you have the red rotors with the white stripes on there. You have Hess gasoline, Hess gasoline, Hess. Then, on this one, switch it to the left, you have the lights and the rotor spinning and the blinking lights up top. You switch it once to the right, you just get the lights, and if you press the button, it makes the rotors go and the lights blink. And then also notice back here, this rotor back here moves. Hess 1995, searchlight, and then the landing pad. Alright, now onto the truck. So, you have the 1995 Hess truck, you have Hess here, Hess, 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 gasoline, Hess, gasoline, Hess 1995. Lots of Hesses you can see on here. Lots of logos. Chrome grill, chrome mirrors, chrome down there. Then you have an H in the middle of the landing pad with the carved in spots where the truck wheel or the helicopter wheels fit. Then you also have this ramp back here, green ramp, so the helicopter could go up on here. On the bottom you have the light switch, takes 2 C batteries, and then you have all the lights. So overall, I really like this truck. So let me know if you like it down below in the comments. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to CRF, turn on the bell for notifications, and comment down below on what you thought of the video, what you think of the truck. So that's basically it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.
Sometimes I have to keep